In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the message format from HTML to rich text or plain text in Outlook on Office 365. Whether you're tidying up your emails for better readability or simplifying your correspondence, switching the format is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to make this change seamlessly. To start with, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, you'll see the sign in option. Click on sign in to proceed. You'll be prompted to input your login details. Make sure you enter your email and password accurately in the respective fields, and then simply hit that next button. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the Outlook dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space if you're not already acquainted with it. Now, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find the settings icon, which typically looks like a little gear. Click on that icon to access the settings menu. From the settings menu, navigate to the mail section. Under this category, you'll want to select Compose and Reply. This section holds all the essential settings related to creating and formatting your outgoing messages. So it's crucial to know how to access these options. Now, let's focus on the message format itself. You're looking for the option that says Compose Messages In. Right next to this phrase, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see a couple of different formatting options: HTML, rich text, and plain text. HTML format is generally best for adding styles, images, and links, while rich text and plain text are simpler, the latter being devoid of any formatting whatsoever. How you choose to format your emails may depend on several factors, whether you're sending a professional email or you're simply ensuring compatibility across different devices or platforms. Once you've decided, click on your desired format. Finally, and crucially, make sure you save your selection. There should be a save button somewhere on the screen. Go ahead and click it. This action will ensure all the changes you've made are applied and preserved for future use. And that's it. You've successfully changed your message format. It's always a good practice to send a test email to yourself or a colleague to see how the new format appears. The simple step can confirm that your emails reflect exactly how you want them to look. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped clarify how to change the message format in Outlook. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll do our best to assist you. Happy emailing and see you next time.